Version 4, question 2, we are looking at men's 100 metre sprints. So we've been asked to interpret the value of this in the model. So that is our gradient, which is a lovely maths answer, but not a very useful context answer. So, minus 0.008 tells us that the world record is expected to decrease because it's negative by 0.008 seconds each year. Okay, use the model to find a prediction for the world record in 1987. So we are years after 1900. So for part B, 87 is 87 years afterwards. So N is going to equal 87. So we can substitute that in and get T equals minus 0.00887 plus 10.6. So minus 0.008 brackets 87 plus 10.6 gives us a time of 9 seconds. Okay, so that's for BI. Part 2, Ben Johnson achieved a time of this. What is the percentage error? So percentage error, we only need the positive value, so we can do it as a modulus. So for B, part 2, we've got the modulus of 9.904, take away the actual of 9.83 divided by the actual, and then times by 100 to make it a percentage. So 9.907 take away 3 equals that divided by 9.83 times by 100. So we're looking at a percentage error of 0.75%. So it looks initially fairly accurate. Okay, part C. A new model has been designed, and that is this one. it's an exponential model. And because it's an exponential model, when n equals 0, then the exponential part will equal 1. So the 10.6 is the world record time in seconds and that is in 1900, so 0 years after 1900. Okay, so part D. We're now using a different model. So we're still doing 1987. So our value of n is still going to be 87. So t equals 10.6 e. 1, 2, 3 zeros, 87. So 10.6 times e minus 0.0008, 87 gives us a prediction of 9.887. So it's a slightly lower prediction than we had originally. Okay, new information. Ben Johnson was banned for drugs, so his world record was rescinded. However, Carl Lewis achieved a time of 9.93 and that was announced as the new world record. So although Ben Johnson had gone faster by 1/10 of a second, actually it didn't count because of the drugs. So percentage error of this new time, we've got our new prediction. So we have our prediction of 9.887, take 9.93 divided by 9.93 and times by 100. So 9.997 take 9.93 divided by 9.93 times by 100. So this gives us an error of 0.433%, which is pretty accurate really. The reason we can ignore this negative is because we've put a modulus around it, so that means we are only dealing with positive values. Okay, E. So we are writing this in linear form. So start off, we've got to write out our original equation. 1, 2, 3, 8n. We learn both sides. Okay, we've then got to separate these two. So when we separate two things, then they become an add. So then we've got ln e 0.0008 n. Ln and e are inverse, so they cancel. So we end up with minus 0.0008 n. The reason for doing this is so that we can find out what the n value is in a way that we can't if we're dealing with this original equation. So for part EII, we are asking what year, so what value of n are we expecting to reach Ben Johnson's rescinded record? So without drugs, when ought that to be an achievable thing? So we have t equals 9.83. So if we substitute that into this equation, we have ln 9.83 is ln 10.6 minus 0.0008 n. So from a rearranging point of view, we have ln 9.83 take away ln 10.6, and then we divide that by 0.0008. So that gives us a value of n equals 94.3, which is a year, 94 years after 1900, which would be 1994.